Hi everyone, my name is Lockie Turner and I hope you're well. Now, in most of Australia, there has been a little bit of a softening in the market, which has been influenced by less government stimulus, like the Builders Grant, rising fixed term interest rates, and worsening housing affordability for those who don't yet own a property. However, the good news is that Adelaide and Brisbane are the two states maintaining the strong growth from last year. The continued price rises can be linked to a lack of supply, especially for houses on land, and the total listings across Brisbane and Adelaide remain more than 20% lower than a year ago and more than 40% below the previous 5-year average. In a demonstration of the strong selling market in Adelaide, we are seeing a much greater portion of properties taken to auction rather than sold by private treaty, and the Adelaide auction clearance rate remains consistently above 80% and often around the 90% mark. According to CoreLogic's National Home Value Index for February, Adelaide recorded a 1.5% growth in housing values for the month, 6.4% for the quarter, and an incredible 25.8% for the past year. Adelaide's median dwelling value reached $593,883, almost $600,000, which is actually still well below the national average, which is sitting up around $808. Making Adelaide still one of the most affordable cities in Australia. 302 of Greater Adelaide's 334 suburbs had experienced double-digit growth in terms of the percentage across the 12 months. Adelaide now has 69 suburbs with a median house price of $1 million or more. From the city fringe to the Adelaide Hills, the new suburbs in this $1 million list are spread all across Adelaide. And we will see more suburbs join the 1 million club, but that march will, I think, slow a little this year. Price growth that we have seen until now will remain in the market. And in fact, CBA is forecasting Adelaide dwelling prices to climb by 6% over the next 12 months. So that's all great for people that own property, and here are some tips if you're buying. Make sure you register as a buyer with us at turnerrealestate.com.au. We always market our properties for sale on our website first, so you'll be one of the very first people to see it in the Adelaide market if you are a buyer on our website. Also register for alerts on the major portals. Ensure you have your finances ready as well, so you can strike when you see the property for you. And try and attend the very first open inspection, as many houses are selling sometimes in the first or second open. Now, on the rental front, in February, Turner Real Estate leased 50 properties and we received over 7,035 inquiries and 964 applications. This clearly shows that the market is remaining very tight and properties are receiving large volumes of applications. Sometimes we're getting up to 30 applications for each property. So there simply isn't enough stock coming onto the market, and many family homes, to add to this, have sold over the past 12 months to owner-occupiers, further reducing stock levels. So what's happened there? Of course, prices have gone up. Adelaide's median weekly house rent is $430 per week now, which is up $30 on this time last year, while the median rent for a unit has increased by a $20 level up to $370 per week. So again, what if you're a renter? Some tips for you. Again, make sure you register as a renter on our website at turnerrealestate.com.au, so you will be one of the first people in the market to be notified of all the properties we have for rent. And make sure your application is full and complete. Now, I know that sounds obvious, but sometimes people leave things out. If it is full and all done, then we can see all of the information on the application and we can process it in a much more expedient time frame. Also, let your referees know that they may be called or emailed to verify the details that you have put in your application. We often find that we will leave a message for someone, or a referee won't get back to us, or they weren't aware that you put their name down. So if we are calling a referee of yours, make sure that they know to take the call or answer that email. Also, make sure you're at the open inspection for rent on time and chat to the property manager at the open inspection so that they know who you are. It wouldn't hurt to just give yourself a little bit of a personal plug about your situation. Lastly, for vendors and landlords here at Turner, we urge you to market your properties widely to ensure you are receiving the highest sale and rent amounts in this historical market. Marketing costs are actually relatively cheap, and the selling and letting process is very smooth and efficient in almost all cases. Our staff can assist with advice on how to present your property and any trades that may need to be involved. Please don't hesitate to contact us, and we look forward to helping you soon. All the very best. Thank you.